Ang topic namin ngayon, paksa ngayon, ay tungkol sa inyong mga investment attitude o inyong kaugalian tungkol sa pagtutustos ng inyong pera.
Well, investment attitude is very important. You know, most people panic. And when they panic, they lose money. There's one thing you cannot do when it comes to investing. You got to be sound. You got to make sure your philosophies are good. And you got to make sure that you are patient. Patience is what makes you money, and time is what makes you money.
Totoo yun. Maraming mga nag-i-invest ng pera pero walang pasensya. Kaya nangyayari ay nawawaldas ang kanilang kayamanan. Ang investment, ang napaka-importante talaga sa inyong na makukuha nyo sa programa to ay malaman ang tamang paraan at mga ibang payo kung paano ang investment nyo, o sabi nga sa Tagalog, yung pagtutustos ng inyong kayamanan.
You know, whenever people invest and they go out there and put their money somewhere, all of them want one thing. They all want to make money. But understand, investing comes with risk. What you have to understand is how much risk are you willing to take.
Sa lahat ng pag-i-invest ng pera, syempre, wala namang 100% na sigurado nga sa buhay. At sabi nga, may konting risk o may pagkakataon na hindi maganda nangyari sa plano, hindi maganda investment, malugi kayo. Kaya pag-uusapan namin ngayon, Surinder, ang unang problema tungkol dito sa pag-invest na to.
Well, everybody hopes to make money when they invest their money, Kuya Boy. But most importantly is whenever you hope to make money, well, you will, but understand one thing. Sometimes markets go down. Things go down in value. And then the second thing that kicks in when things go down is people's anticipation of making money fades away and fear kicks in. Fear is when you lose money.
Kung kayo man ay nagkaroon ng pagkakataon na mag-invest ng pera, kahit sa anumang bagay, negosyo, sa mga shares of stocks, bonds, anuman, dito, syempre umaasa kayo na kumita kayo ng pera. Pero pag minsan hindi maganda ang takbuhan, at ang nangyayari ay, teka muna, nalulugi na ito negosyo, bumababa ang halaga ng mga stocks ito, diyan na pumapasok ang katakutan nyo. Ngayon, anong dapat nyong gawin? Surinder, what's next step after fear?
Well, you know, after fear, most people do this. Let me give you an example, and the best way to put it. When you buy a piece of real estate, most, Filipinos love to buy real estate coming from Southeast Asia. You know, when we buy real estate, and when the prices of real estate go down, what do? Do we go out there and sell our house because the markets went down? No, we don't. But do we go and buy houses when markets go down? Potentially, we should do that. But most people take a look at their investments, and when markets go down, they panic. No, this is when you go out there and buy more because everything is discounted.
Totoo yun. Sabi nga nila, may kasabihan nga sa iglesia dito is that may oportunidad pag may risk. When the market is down, doon ka dapat mamili. Ganun sabi nga, ang sample nga na ginawa ni Surinder. Halimbawa, may bahay ka, bumili ka ng bahay na kalahating milyon ng halaga. Pag umakyat ang halaga, well and good. Pero pag bumaba yan ng kalahating milyon, naging 300,000 na lang, ang gagawin mo ba, ibebenta mo kagad? Hindi. Hihintay mo dahil ang market, ang merkado ay umiikot din. Sabi nga nila, weather lang yan.
Well, the other thing is, these are the priorities. If you got a pen and paper, write this down because this is very important. When it comes to investing, these are the 6 philosophies you have to follow. The first one is make sure that your capital, you don't lose. It's called capital preservation. Capital preservation is the first and the most important thing that you should have in your mind.
Ang ibig sabihin ni kumparing Surinder dito is kung anong mga prioridad nyo. Okay? Numero 1, ang sinasabi ng capital preservation o pag-iingatan nyo ng inyong principal o inyong kayamanan o ari-arian ay matatag at hindi basta kagad mawawaldas o mauubos. At ang pangalawang prioridad ay?
The second thing is you got to make sure that your return